Hey Saga, this is Sasigurum and you are watching Market Notes. In this video, we are going to discuss about another option strategy which is nothing but covered call. So covered call is nothing but buying a future and selling out of money call option. For example, I choose ITC and I'm going to buy a future in 4 month. If you buy in the near month, then you have to roll up your position if the market did not move within the month. So I choose a 4 month, therefore I have 3 month and I can sell out of money call option for every consecutive month. So I'm going to buy a future at the position and I'm going to sell out of money call option. And here you can see that we have just 4 days to the expiry of the May month. Therefore, the margin is also very high in order to make it delivery. So I'm going to select the next month option and I'm going to sell 210 call option. So the payoff chart looks something like this. As you can see that the maximum profit in the strategy is somewhere around 47,000 and the estimated margin is somewhere around 1,67,000, and you should have some buffer amount in your trading account in order to execute this strategy. And if the ITC did not move above 210 within the June month, you will make somewhere around 7.4 rupees, and the lot size of ITC is 3,200. Therefore, your expecting profit is somewhere around 25,000. And if the ITC move above 210, our future contract will be in green. Even though our option is bleeding, our net profit will be somewhere around 47,000. And one more important thing is, if the ITC did not move above 210 within the June month, you will make somewhere around 25,000 and you can roll up your position for the July month. That is, you can sell out of money call option for the July month. Even though if the ITC move nearby 210, you can sell out of money call option around 215 for the July month, and then you will make some good amount of money even in a July month. Therefore, you can get the consequent month of profits by doing this strategy. This is one method of doing it. Another one method is buying it in a cash market. That is, for example, ITC is now trading around somewhere around 200 rupees, and the lot price of ITC is 3,200. So, if you want to execute this strategy in a cash, then you have to somewhere around 6 lakhs 40,000 in your trading account in order to buy this in a future market, and then you should sell out of money call option. In order to selling out of money call option, you should have somewhere around 1.5 lakhs. Therefore, the overall cost of executing this strategy in a cash market is somewhere around 8 to 9 lakhs. So this is called as covered call strategy in a cash market. And if you are going to execute this strategy in future, you have to know about MTM, that is mark to market profit or loss. So the break even point for this strategy is somewhere around 195, right? And the future buying price is somewhere around 202. Let us consider the ITC go down till 190, that is 12 point minus from the price you bought. Therefore, the MTM loss for this future will be somewhere around 40,000 because the lot size of ITC is 3,200. So 3,200 into 12 points somewhere around 40,000 plus. Therefore, um, your MTM is somewhere around 40,000. Therefore, you should have the 40,000 in your trading account in order to hold this, and you should have that 40,000 in your trading account in order to hold this position in your terminal. Otherwise, this position will be squared off because of the insufficient margin in your trading account. So keep that in your mind. If the ITC go even down, you should have that much of MTM in your trading account. Otherwise, this position will be squared off in your terminal. When to execute the strategy? If you are very familiar with some stock and you know this is a very good point to buy the stock, and you know the downside risk of the stock or index is very limited, then you can execute the strategy. Otherwise, please keep away from this strategy. As you can see that this is a high profit strategy, even though it contains high risk too. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.